In a recent development in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia, Ukrainian military forces successfully targeted and neutralized Russian troops hiding in a forested area in southern Ukraine. The attack, conducted with the aid of high mobility artillery rocket system, that is HIMARS, resulted in significant losses for the Russian military. According to reports from Kyiv's military, the reconnaissance efforts of the 73rd Maritime Center of Special Forces led to the discovery of a concentration of Russian forces in the southern regions. Subsequently, Ukrainian Special Operations Forces coordinated a HIMARS strike on the location, inflicting heavy casualties on the Russian troops. The HIMARS, supplied by the US to Ukraine, has proven to be a formidable asset in Ukraine's defense arsenal. Its precision targeting capabilities have enabled Ukrainian forces to effectively counter Russian military operations, including the destruction of advanced anti-aircraft missile systems. The footage shared by the Ukraine's defense ministry depicts the aftermath of the HIMARS strike, with a powerful explosion followed by billowing clouds of smoke. While the exact timing and location of the attack have not been independently verified, reports indicate that it occurred near the village of Podokalinivka in occupied Kherson. This is not the first instance of Ukraine employing HIMARS against Russian forces. Previous incidents have seen Ukrainian forces targeting Russian troops with HIMARS strikes, resulting in significant casualties for the aggressor. In October 2023, footage emerged purportedly showing the aftermath of a HIMARS strike on a Russian battalion. In a separate incident, Ukrainian official Serhiy Bratchuk reported that Ukrainian forces targeted a training area for Russian troops near the city of Volnovakha with HIMARS, resulting in the death of approximately 65 Russian soldiers. While the strikes with Western weapons had improved the situation, city officials said Kharkiv still needs extra air defense systems for protection. Ukraine is also urging its allies to further loosen the restrictions governing the use of their weapons against Russia. Washington has agreed that Kyiv can use US weapons for counter-fire purposes in Kharkiv, so Ukraine can hit back at Russian forces hitting them or preparing to hit them. Washington's new stance is thought to allow for US-supplied weapons to be used to strike Russian forces that are attacking or preparing to attack, but Ukraine is still not allowed to use American-provided ATACMS or long-range missiles and other munitions to strike inside Russia, US officials have said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.